up, YouTube? Got my cousin over here, man, and Linnell. They running my power for my air compressor. Yeah, I'm turning this into a real garage in my little space. As long as I don't mess with her little space, everything gonna be all right. Stay tuned. Man, cold. Been out here 5 minutes, man. Tax me, man. Man, this don't cost that much, man. Where you move?
Get out.
On to the next one,
That's it, man.
That was up. Hey, good. Moving a little fast for that price, you know what I mean? Hey, man, nah, I don't mind paying, man. Appreciate your work, bro. I recommend to anybody. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. I had to get the finder's fee, though. You feel?
No doubt. You gotta find the speed.
Yeah, all right, man. I'm just saying, don't forget. You know what I mean? I don't want no $5 either. We ain't going no frozen later like we were little. So, nah, I just play.
We ain't doing a little small later.
All right. Yeah, when my compressor come, I'm trying to put it over there in that corner. Well, that's where it's going. He running the drop all the way down there. Yep. Plan coming together. Boy, working, man. They run that wire. Ooh-wee. I'm scared of this. Good quarterback, Linnell. Next runner up. What you do, you learn. Learn from the best. Because anything I can do.
No, cause it's good.
All right, man.
There you go. Take it to the top. You go down with it. Pull your hand down the rope. Slide your hand down. Not that way, man. Other way. Yes, sir. All right,
Put some slack in it.
I gotta have some one of the workers. Let's cut it.
Little help.
Stretch it.
You gonna help?
Stretch it.
You don't want no part of that, do you? You sleeping?
That's good.
You late.
Push on it.
Rolling. Killer. Dude came by to check out. Trying to get a fence or whatever. Killer. Come here. Good girl. What we got, Cool?
It was just a call plug. Just cause you didn't have one there.
Just calls, man. That extra, man.
Nah. I was ready to pull
Man, I love family, man. Love you.
I was ready to pull on wine, man. So
That's it?
that's it, baby.
Golly.
Quarter it well.
And it worked. I heard it come on.
What's up?
You guarantee it work right now. Hey, man, thank you, man. I'm ready now. Ready. Thank you, Lavelle.
You welcome.
Linnell, excuse me.
Yeah.
Thank you, bro. Oh, okay. Thank y'all, man. Just like that. Plug put in. Waiting on that air compressor. Hey, cuz.
Nah, I'm up at the area. You make
Okay.
Cool.
They go with the one that's there.
I ain't got no money, though.
But you got love.
Hey, I got love, man. See, that's what it's about. You get love. Hey. Chill with your family.